So why I don't set New Year's resolutions when I'm a goal digging success strategist and I work with people on setting their goals and really breaking them down into small actionable chunks so that they can really hit their goal faster than they ever thought possible. Okay. So you would probably expect me to be marketing myself and my services around New Year's, right? Okay, so I help people set goals and everybody sets goals in January. So why the heck wouldn't I be marketing myself like crazy during that time? Like so many people are. Almost everybody sets a New Year's resolution, but I decided not to set a New Year's resolution this year. So I wanted to just talk to you guys about why I made this decision. If you guys don't know me, I am Lola B. I'm a high performance success strategist and I help emerging entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, to really just kick butt in their day and exponentially increase their productivity and their efficiency and just really kind of audit their business model. So this is why I don't do New Year's resolutions. It's because New Year's resolution is something that I think is a great beginner goal. Having a 12-month plan is amazing to just kind of have this guideline, right? But it's a guideline because really, do you know what's going to happen to you over the next 12 months? You have no idea. You have no idea. I'm sure you don't know. You didn't know a lot of the things that happened last year was going to happen. Financial burdens, death, illnesses, whatever come up, right? And so in 12 whole months, if you're really stringent on, I have to meet this goal in 12 months, and it's a year-long goal, there's multiple things. One is you don't know what's going to happen and your goal may change as you start to achieve it. So say you start working on a personal development type goal, or say you're increasing sales in your business or something. Say within 3 months or 6 months into that goal, you may realize that that goal is completely changed. Maybe you want to change direction in your business now. Maybe you want to rebrand and that's going to make you step back. It's actually going to decrease sales. But if you're held on to this New Year's resolution that you have to increase sales, it may stop you from shifting in a way that you're being called to shift. So that's one thing, is you should really be flexible and make more like 90-day goals at a max and break that down into 30-day goals and keep measuring every 30 days and see, okay, is that still the direction that I want to go? And just be really honest with yourself so that you're not beating yourself up over it if you're going in a different direction now. And that's normal. That's totally normal. So especially for weight loss, if you guys are saying that you want to lose 30 pounds in a year or 50 pounds, or you're very adventurous and say, a lot more than that. Well, if you guys have been on a weight loss journey, you know that after 30 days, 60 days, your weight loss starts to decrease, right? So you start losing it really fast at first and then it slows down. And if a lot of times we're really adventurous and we plan a New Year's resolution based on the weight loss that you usually start losing at first, because maybe you haven't been on a long weight loss journey before. And so you'll keep beating yourself up as the months go on and you're losing less every month. That's fine because your body weight's going down, but you're going to be beating yourself up like, oh, I'm not going to hit my goal and I must suck at this and maybe give in or throw in the towel, when really that's just normal. So I wanted to encourage you guys to really break down any goal that you have right now. That's a 12-month goal. Break it down into smaller goals and revisit them and decide if that's still what you want to do in 30 days, 60 days. And if you guys want help doing any of this, let me know. If you guys really want to hit this goal, then you probably want to hit it a lot faster than a year. So you'd be surprised at what some focused action plans can do for you to really help you get there. So I just want you guys to think about that. I won't take up all your night, but thank you for joining. And if you guys didn't say hi already, just make sure you say hey before you get off. And I love to come back and see who was on hanging out with me. So you guys have a great night and I'll talk to you later. Bye.